Hey, what's up, good people? This is Shelby here. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have a different background than I usually have, and that is because I am visiting with family for the holidays. So I don't know if you know, but I'm not originally from the Bay Area. I'm from LA, and so when it comes time for my birthday / Christmas, I am running around somewhere down south. So that's always cool for me. As you can tell, I do not have anything on my face right now except for some moisturizer, some deep puffing. I have the Milk Cosmetics cooling depuffing stick, which is cool. I got the mini size, which I really like. It's very soothing and cooling. I don't know if it's actually depuffing, but I feel like it's depuffing. It's probably a placebo effect, whatever. And today, aside from the brow product, I'm going to put on some bronzer, not bronzer, I'm going to put on some primer using the blur stick and to kind of matte down my face and control some of the shine. But I went into Mac to grab some stuff for the holidays, and I came across NC46. I don't know if everybody else knew that this was out there, but I did not. I've been either NC45 or NC50, depending on how the weather is, and this color is kind of in between. So I want to give this a shot. If you have already tried this out, and I have just a little MAC sample because I believe in samples. If you have already tried this color out and it's your perfect shade, why didn't you tell me? And if you have, then yeah, then you'll know what I'm about to go do. Anyway, so I'm gonna do a wear test on this, see how it looks on me through the rest of the day, and I will come back to put this all over my face, focusing it specifically in the areas where I would usually get some oil. This is kind of my normal process. I believe in primer. Not everybody does. I always say that, but Shelby believes in primer. And I like this. I think I like the applicator, and I like how easy it is to put it on, I think. So, down for that. So on one side, I think I will apply with a beauty blender, and on the other side, I will apply with the kabuki brush, I think. So I'm just going to place this, and again, this is NC46 on the side of my face. And I'll buff that out using a Sanaya Kasha kabuki brush. And this is the Studio Fix. I think I said this, but it's the Studio Fix Fluid from MAC. And yeah, I'm just trying to see if it's possible that there's a match that's better, for me. And I don't think I've done a wear test on this foundation yet. I just kind of, I wear it, but I don't know if I really pay that much attention to it. And I will be doing, I think I will do a series on popular foundations and my experience with them. One of my friends, my cousin, asked me to do one on the luxury brands like Dior, the Backstage, and I think it's Backstage. And then there's a couple other ones. This color reminds me of my Fenty color, but maybe a little. It's still cool. Like I've got some pink in here, but maybe it's warmer, I think. It looks like a really good match. I mean, this is the side with foundation. This is the side without. This just looks like my skin, and that's always a win. But let's see what happens toward the end of the day in a few hours. When I'm recording this, it's just about to be 12 o'clock, 12 noon, Pacific Standard Time. Being very careful around the brows. Okay. That's good. Just checking my monitor. Looks good. Yeah, that's no foundation, and that's foundation. It looks good. Looks really good. Okay, I'm going to go in with my Sanaya Kasha blender, which is like, it's my holy grail. I know there are other blenders that people laud, praise, sing to the heavens about, but this is my one. Like, I like the furry one from Juno & Co. I think that one's really cool, too, and it does definitely spread out the product. But it's really dense. It's like, it's not really soft. I'm gonna use the butt of the blender for this. And I gotta say, I mean, I have high hopes for this because, I mean, it's MAC, and MAC is like consistently incredible. That looks really good. Yeah, like I don't know, you can kind of see the difference, but it's more of the shine versus no shine as this dries down than actual color. Like that's, I think that's close to perfect, guys. I'm gonna blend this down onto my chin, on my throat, on both sides. Go ahead and use the blender. Actually, okay, no, keep it consistent. Ears and down, and then blender and down. Like, what difference? What difference? Wow. Okay, so I think I like. I don't know if I can really tell the difference. I think. Oh, well, this is the brush side, but you know, coverage is good across the board. Blend is good. I guess there's even a little bit of glow in there. That's nice. Let's see. What is that? That spot right there, though. Can you see that? That light spot? Is that my skin or is that the foundation? Can you see that? I'm gonna put a little bit more foundation on top of that. It's still there. Huh, that must be my skin. Okay, I've never noticed that discoloration. This is supposed to be a full coverage foundation though, so I don't feel like I should be able to see that stuff through there. Like even the discoloration in my chin down here, you can still kind of see it. That's interesting. Okay. Let me go ahead and just add a little bit more. And I guess we'll see if this is buildable because I'm definitely building it up. Okay. And just for good measure. But yeah, guys, this looks like my face. That looks like my face. That's crazy. But I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna do a wear test with this today. I'll give it about 6 or 7 hours. We'll see how it turns out. Right now, it's I'm gonna set it, of course, in the process of doing the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and I'll tell you how I feel about the color, how I feel about what it did with my skin. It's not supposed to be super matte, I don't believe, but actually, we always assume that we know everything about all the stuff we're familiar with. But let me just double check the claims of the Studio Fix 910. It comes in about over 50 shades. You can see on my phone, it's a lot of shades. Don't mind the spinning. Runs for $30, and the shade that I have on right now is NC 46. So NC 46 is described as a deep bronze with neutral undertones for dark skin. So it's neutral cool. And that's what it looks like on the screen. It was $30. We said $30. Okay, so claims and benefits. It's supposed to be long wearing. It's 24 hours. It reduces the appearance of pores, controls oil and shine. It's supposed to be non-drying, which is important because it's the winter time and nobody wants flaky face. Let's see, it's supposed to stay true to color. Good for all types, especially oily skin. Photo-friendly, non-streaking, non-settling, non-caking. And we did layer up, and the color still looks true. And it looks like it feels like it self-set itself, so that's pretty good. And some of that glow is gone. Like I can still see skin glow, but it's not shiny. So yeah, let's see what happens from here. Okay. All right. Check back with you soon. Hey, what's up, good people? Okay, so this is the finished look. This is also my foundation check-in. I did not get a chance to um, show you this finished look and film it. It actually wasn't filming when I was talking, so of course I've got to go back and revisit. So I think that the foundation, it held up really good. It's 5:47, so it's been about 5, maybe 6 hours since I applied it. I don't have any shininess except for where I put highlight. I've got a nice healthy skin glow, but not like not super matte, not dewy, not oily. It's really, really good. And I love this look. These lashes are great. The Maybelline Soda Pop palette, I feel like it did a great job. And actually the eyes turned out really good too. I hope that you feel as good about this look as I feel about this look, go down to the bottom, hit the like comment, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button so you get my notifications when I post up. And yeah, thank you so much for spending some time with me. I did try out the Patrick Star powder and his highlighter. I gotta say, I am impressed. I don't love the packaging for the powder, but the finished look is impressive. Like, I mean, it's nice, guys. I think we all know it's awesome. Thanks so much. See you on the next one. Ciao for now.